What's good, YouTube? I'm Robert with the Crosscut Creations channel. Today we're gonna just turn a simple bottle stopper. So if you want to see how I did it, let's go. All right, here we are with the bottle stopper. This is just one of a few that I've turned so far. These are available on my website, cross-cut-creations.com. You can get them there. These are a lot of fun to turn. The only limitation is if you're turning these, the only limitation is your mind and how you want to design them. There are absolutely endless opportunities, endless designs. They're a ton of fun. I can't wait to turn more. So again, if you're interested in these, you can either contact me directly or you can order through my website. Again, one more time, cross-cut-creations.com. You can find the bottle stoppers, you can find pens, you can find pen blanks, you can find t-shirts, You can find merchandise, you can find all that kind of stuff. So if any of that interests you, head on over there, check it out, and pick up a t-shirt or a pen or something like that. If you like this video, make sure you give it the thumbs up, make sure you comment, subscribe, share, do all that other fun YouTube stuff, and we'll see you next time.